Yo, what up guys, it's Juan. So today got the S22 Ultra. We're going to do a quick unboxing on the phone, see what it's about, see what's inside of it, and then obviously in the near future I'll have the full review on it and so on. So let's check it out. Alright, so trusty pocket knife, let's give it a shot. Let's see what we got here. Pretty standard stuff. Okay. And right off the bat, front and center, we get the actual phone itself. Let's put this aside for just a moment over here. And it looks like that might be about it. Really, it's pretty standard and simple in terms of packaging. It's super slim. Obviously, since they have not included the charging brick, in this one it definitely reduces and cuts down on the actual packaging. So you really just get this. You get the SIM ejecting tool right here for the SIM card, and inside I'm presuming you're going to be getting, yep, your charging cable, USB-A to USB Type-C. Oh, USB-C to USB-C. Okay, so you get that here, and then just some warranty, general information and such, and that is completely it. So that's done. And then obviously we get the S22 Ultra itself. I got the black edition. Really was torn between this and the teal variant, but ended up going with this. You know, just clean, simple, a classic look and such. So obviously you get the 3-camera, well, the 5 lens on the back here, the 3 main cameras, your flash, a couple of sensors and such. So again, full review coming soon. I'm forgetting some of the specs on the phone, but I'll have the full review up and ready in the next few days. So everyone's favorite part. Oh, love that. And we get one on the front. Perfect. Yeah, so it's nice. It is not too fingerprint prone on the back from what I'm seeing here, so that's always good. It has a matte black back, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the front and the back glass is going to be Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. So you know, that'll be a nice upgrade on the Victus of the last model. So again, this is going to be your S22 Ultra from Samsung, and I'll be upgrading to this from my old S10 Plus. I'll take that out of the case here for you to see, just for comparison's sake. So S22 Ultra, S10 Plus, and again, substantial difference in terms of aesthetics, bigger size, screen, all of that. So again, full review coming. Stay tuned for that. But aside from that, it's Juan, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Almost forgot to mention the big edition here, the S Pen. So it has that clicky, it has that nice clicky effect right there, and it slides right into the body of the phone just like your typical Note would have. So again, this is probably going to be your new Note, and yep, I think it's a legit choice.